Let's see how badly you can crux this up. Hey, how come we're all zoomed in? What'd you do? You did it? Thomas.
I did one.
You did one.
How good did I do?
Well, let's check your little weldy welds. Pretty good, pretty good. Looks kind of nasty, but I think it's connected. Okay, where are you gonna put this so that it doesn't hit the torch?
Probably get it in the right way.
Yeah, there you go.
And load it up.
Hold my breath. Oh yeah, sure sends smoke to me. Toxic smoke.
Where's the hole? That's the hole. So
You got the negatives to the negative.
oh wait, this doesn't have much on it.
That's okay. It doesn't need a lot of flux. As long as you've loaded up your soldering iron.
Yeah.
You just want to angle your wire just right. Don't die. Don't die.
Don't pressure me.
Don't flux it up. What have you done? Don't stab my book.
It's not connecting.
Your mom's not
Now
connecting.
there's like a sticky goo. I just gave it extra metal.
Can you do it?
We'll see.
Okay. Got it in position?
Maybe. Oh wow, that's not nice.
Did you burn my book?
No, it's not nice that it's literally like a liquid, then I accidentally pull it out and it becomes a solid metal. It's like a liquid then solid.
Got your torch loaded up enough?
I don't know.
You might need to load it a little bit more.
Look at that.
Huh?
Look.
Interesting.
Wait.
I think maybe you just didn't have your wire in the right spot, like it slipped out of position.
I have it in a pretty good spot.
Alright. You can hold the torch on there for more than just a second, like 2 seconds. Sometimes, if you have to. Whoa, what have you done? Thomas! Holy cow. Let me take a look. Wait, yep. Let's see here. Oh, come on, I need a background that's not wonky. Looks like you might have done it, Mr. Thomas. You just barely caught the wire, though.
Yeah.
You sure you don't have epilepsy? You spaz.
No.
Alright, let's see if you can load it up. Load up your soldering iron. I know it's hard to get it into position. Right on the tip.
Holy.
Did it do it?
There's like a tiny ball of metal
That sounds
just attached to it.
That sounds like exactly what we wanted. Oh, that looks like a pretty good one.
It's just a super small ball of metal.
Well done. You think you can do another one?
Yeah. The last one.
Okay.
Right here. Oh, this one's good.
Yeah, it should have flux already on both pins.
Come on. Cooperate with me.
I hate it when Oh, you're not loaded up. It's horrible.
That was pretty good load up.
I think so. Steady. Freddy.
Freddy is in a FNAF game.
I know. Lay your wire right across where it needs to stay. And dump that solder on there. Uh-oh. You're out of control. You maybe do have epilepsy. What have you done?
It was a liquid metal, so I stuck it back in and
And it worked?
it worked!
Are you a hacker?
I'll quickly stick it in.
Well, that'll work.
Really, I
suppose.
didn't actually sing that. I thought that I'm gonna try and keep doing it till it actually goes in place.
So you used tenacity and determination.
Determination. Undertale's main theme is determination, pretty much.
Well, now you know why it works. Determination rules. Don't give up. Just go on.
Oh wait, no, I don't need to load it again.
No, you're still loaded? Thomas, you're out of control. Did you do it?
Not quite.
Need to zap it again? Takes a steady hand.
Takes a good wire.
Oh, well, yeah, blame it on the wire. The inanimate object. I'm sure that's the problem. Don't burn your finger off either. What's happening?
Me missing because the wire is being wonky and not going on.
You need
Like it's bent in a way.
Yeah, you need to speak to that wire. Make it bend to your will. Don't bend to its will. Come on, Thomas. Don't take any crap from that wire. Boss it around.
I'm not taking in a shit on the wire.
Well, that was crude. What kind of a YouTuber would you be if you're all potty mouth? You'd be like you're from Ireland. Does it work?
What? There is no metal.
Let me see.
The wire just got infused with it.
Well, it may have been what do they call it? You get your wire with flux. You get enough flux on your wire, it'll tin it. It's called tinning. You've actually got a little bit of solder.
Wow, I tinned it?
You tinned it.
How hard is that?
If you do it right, it's not hard, but it can be tricky to do if you don't know what you're doing. So
I didn't really know what I'm doing, so
okay, now we have to take this out of parallel mode
goodbye.
and into series mode so we don't fry it again.
Or serious.
Seriously. Series.